You got the call or the email, and now you are in full panic mode. CFIA wants to inspect your facility. You are not sure what they are going to look at, whether your paperwork is up to date, or whether you are going to pass. And you need to figure this out fast. I'm Felicia Loo. I'm a food safety consultant specializing in Canadian regulatory compliance, and I work with small food manufacturers across Canada who are navigating CFIA inspections and Preventive Control Plan requirements. I have seen this panic more times than I can count, and I want to help you walk into that inspection with confidence instead of dread. Let's talk about what actually happens during a CFIA inspection and what you can do right now to prepare. First, understand what they are there to do. A CFIA compliance verification activity is not a surprise attack. It is a structured review of your food safety system. The inspector is going to compare what your documents say to what is actually happening in your facility. Here are 2 things you can do this week. Number 1, pull out your Preventive Control Plan and read through it. Does it reflect what you are actually doing? Are your hazard controls still accurate? Are your monitoring procedures being followed and recorded? If the answer to any of those is no, you have some work to do before the inspector arrives. Number 2, review your monitoring records for the past 30 days. Look for missing entries, unsigned logs, or procedures that were not followed. If you find gaps, document them and document what you did to address them. Inspectors do not expect perfection. They expect a functioning system. Here is something important that many small manufacturers miss. CFIA inspectors are not there to shut you down on the first visit. They are there to verify that you have a real food safety system in place. When you are transparent, organized, and responsive, you create a very different inspection experience than when you are scrambling and defensive. If your PCP is outdated, missing hazard categories, or was never properly built in the first place, do not try to fix it the night before the inspection. Reach out now. A food safety consultant like our team can help you prioritize what matters most, given your timeline. Book a call with us through the link in the video description. If you are in early stage preparation or you know your system has gaps, that call is the right first step. Subscribe so you do not miss the next video, where I walk through what a preventive control plan actually needs to include to satisfy CFIA.